Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I'm going to be sharing with y'all some products that you can use from the drugstore that is going to give you a full glam look. Everything that I have on my face right now is from the drugstore, so you don't have to shop at like Sephora or department store for high-end makeup to get like a really pretty glam look. So I'm going to show you some of the products that you should be picking up from the drugstore because they're really good. So if you're interested in that, then let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm going to do is start out by hydrating my lips because they're a little dry, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade Honey Talks. This is a newer product and it comes in a lot of different colors. The girls are saying that this is a dupe for the Dior Lip Glow Oil. It's pretty similar. The applicator is definitely duping the Dior Lip Glow Oil for sure. I feel like the Dior Lip Glow Oil may be just like a tad more hydrating and a little bit more shiny. But this is good though, especially for the price. And the next thing that we're going to be doing is foundation, girl. Today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. And I'm using the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques 081 brush to blend in my foundation. Oh, it's definitely giving like skin tint serum. It feels like a serum for sure. It feels like skincare. That looks good. That's a good match too. Look at that, y'all. This side compared to this side with nothing on it. That looks real good. Okay, L'Oreal, I like this. It's been a long time since I've been impressed with the drugstore foundation. My God. All right, I've got to stop obsessing over this foundation. This might be the star of the show though. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. And this actually has a pump. And I am taking my Real Techniques 083 brush. And y'all, these brushes are also drugstore. I got these right at Ulta. It came in a set of like 4 or 5 brushes, and it also came with this. Go ahead and pop my concealer on. Alright, so this base looks really good. I feel covered, but I feel like my skin is still shining through. Like I don't look like I have makeup on my face, and I guess it's because both of these are serum. I don't know how I just completely forgot to do my brows. So I'm going to be using 2 products for my brows today. First one is from the Lip Bar. This is their Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil, and it has a brush on one end and then the pencil on the other. And I'm also going to be using something new, which is the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara. So I'm just going to brush through my brows first. I'm just going to outline my brows first. And now I'm going to take the NYX Brow Mascara. This is just gonna kind of help to lock my brows in place. That looks good. What do y'all think? So this NYX brow product that I'm using has little tiny fibers in it, but those products together are fire. Now we're gonna go in with blush, and for blush I'm using Juvia's 2 products from Juvia's. This is their powder blush duo and their liquid blush. The blush duo that I'm using is volume 4, so you've got 2 shades. You've got a bright pink and then a lighter pink, and then the liquid blush that I'm using is in the shade Peach Rose. So I'm gonna go in with my powder blush first. I think it was yesterday that I tried this and it looked so good. I even had somebody compliment me on my blush when I went to Ulta. And I'm using the top shade, like the bright pink shade first. If you are a girly that doesn't like a lot of blush, if you want like a more subtle look, then you can definitely stop here. But I'm gonna keep going. The powders that I'm about to use are not from the drugstore because I did forget to get a drugstore powder, and I don't own any drugstore powders. I'm just gonna use a pink powder on my inner corner and then a white translucent powder on like the outer corner. And now translucent powder. And now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Liquid Blush in Peach Rose. I see a lot of girls just going straight in with the applicator onto their skin with this, and I even was doing this, but this is so pigmented, y'all. You have to be careful with this, and I don't want to like go crazy with the blush. So I am going to just take it on the back of my hand like that. That's literally all you need, and I'm just going to take it like that, warm it up a bit, and then I'm gonna start right out here. You see, like even after putting it on my hand, it's still super duper pigmented. So now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So we're going in with Juvia's Place again. This is the Bronze Duo, and I'm using the Dark Duo, and I'm gonna actually mix these two colors, and I'm gonna start on my forehead. Now it's time for us to do our eyes. For eyes, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette. Look at this color story. If y'all know me, y'all know this is right up my alley because I love me a brown, neutral, smoky, soft glam eye. So I'm gonna start out with this shade right here. Put it all over my lid. And my brush, I'm using the Morphe M514 brush. Like, look at that pigment already. On my lid, I'm gonna use this color. And now I'm gonna go in with this deep brown shade right here on my outer corner. I'm gonna use this shade right here in the corner, and I'm gonna just go in with my finger. So this is how the eyes are looking. Now I'm gonna wipe this lip oil off, and we're gonna do lips. So for my lip liner, I'm gonna be using Kola by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love their lip liners. I have like 4 of them in my drawer. They just glide on so good. They're the perfect brown shades, and they're so creamy. In the center of my lips, I'm gonna go in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And then on top of that, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, but this is the plumping one. I got it in the shade Pink Sting. I tried this out last night just to see what it was giving. So if you've used the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat, you know how that tingles on your lips a little bit. This is like Gloss Bomb Heat, but on 10. It's like a nice bubblegum pink, so I'm gonna use it today. And Maybelline Lifter Glosses are literally just bomb. Like, the formula is so glossy, and it just feels so cushiony on your lips. And they have so many shades. Like, look at how pretty and pink that is. So pretty. I love this shade. But I mostly just love how glossy it is, and just how it's very, very moisturizing on the lips. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, and y'all, when I tell y'all I love these, like I love these real bad. Like, I love these glosses. But babes, if you're not one for like a tingling sensation on your lips, just skip the plumping one. Just don't do it, girl. Don't do it to yourself. But if you can handle it, definitely try this one out, because it really does make your lips look light, nice and juicy and plump. If you can't handle the plumping ones, just get the regular lifter glosses. They're just as shiny. They feel just as good on the lips. They're very comparable to the Fenty Gloss Bombs. Might I say they're actually just as good as the Fenty Gloss Bombs. So y'all, this is our finished look, and I must say the glam is eating. Whether drugstore or high-end, it don't matter. The glam is glamming. If y'all were wondering if you can get a really pretty look using all drugstore products, I promise you, you can. What do y'all think? Let me know down below in the comments if you like this look, if you've tried any of the products that I used today, or if you plan on trying any of the products I used today. Every single thing that I put on my face was bomb. As far as what I love the most, it's hard because everything did what it needed to do, but I think I was most impressed by this combo right here. the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Serum Skin Tint. What is it? Is it a tinted serum? And then the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This combo right here, yeah, y'all saw how my skin was looking with just these two products on it. It looked so good. The match was like perfection, but even those two aside, I probably couldn't even pick my favorite product that I put on today because everything literally was 10 out of 10. Oh, how could I forget my lashes? My lashes are also Drugstore, you guys. So the lashes that I have on are Falscara. Y'all know that I love Falscara, but I actually mixed it up today. I used the Impress, it's still from Kiss. I used the Impress ones that you press on, and then on the outer corners, and then I used the Falscara in the center. I'll link the specific ones that I used down below, but I literally only used like 2 lashes on each eye so that I have like that half lash, like cat eye type of look. Again, I will link everything that I used on my face down below in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourself. And that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and turn on those post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.